Hey there, are you struggling with your Apple Pay transactions? Wondering how to fix Apple Pay contact card issuer issues? You're in the right place. In this guide, we'll take you through simple steps to resolve contact card issuer errors in Apple Pay, ensuring your payments work seamlessly and you're back to enjoying the convenience of digital transactions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. To begin with, confirm that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A disrupted network can interfere with Apple's ability to communicate with your card issuer, leading to errors. Ensure you're connected to a secure Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular connection. Sometimes switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data can resolve connectivity issues. A quick reset of your network settings can also clear up underlying connection problems, so it might be worth trying. Step 2. Verify card details. Next, double-check your card details. Open the Wallet app and tap on the card that's causing the issue. Make sure the name, card number, and expiration date match the information provided by your card issuer. If there are discrepancies, remove the card by tapping on the Remove Card option and re-add it by following the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Contact your card issuer. If your card details are correct, it's time to contact your card issuer directly. Sometimes card issuers place holds or have restrictions that you're unaware of. Call the customer service number on the back of your card or visit their website for assistance. Inform them of the exact error message you're receiving and ask if there are any issues on their end that could be affecting your Apple Pay transaction. Step 4. Update your iOS. Outdated software can also be a culprit. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updating your software ensures you have the most recent security updates and bug fixes that could resolve issues with Apple. To check for updates, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your device. When was the last time you restarted your device? Sometimes a simple restart can resolve glitches, including Apple Pay errors. If you haven't restarted your iPhone in a while, go ahead and power it down. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Once rebooted, try using Apple Pay again to see if the issue persists. Step 6. Reconfigure Apple Pay settings. If all else fails, you may need to reconfigure your Apple Pay settings. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, then turn off Apple Pay Cash and any other active cards. Restart your phone, then return to the Wallet and Apple Pay settings to re-enable these options. This refresh could resolve any conflicts with your setting. Step 7. Seek Apple support. Still having trouble? It may be time to reach out to Apple support for additional help. Visit the Apple support website or use the Apple support app to chat with a representative who can walk you through further troubleshooting steps. They may identify an underlying issue that needs a technical. And there you have it. Several ways to troubleshoot and fix Apple Pay contact card issuer issues. Ensuring you have a stable network, verifying card details, and updating your iOS are just a few steps to get your Apple Pay back on track. Don't let payment issues slow you down. Try these solutions and enjoy seamless transactions again. Remember, help is always at hand with your card issuer or Apple support when needed. Happy spending.